Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you our farmhouse kitchen update and how we went about getting some farmhouse flair into our very bland home. So I'm so excited to share this with you. I've got some decor motivation as well as some tips for shiplap and other things to give your house a farmhouse touch.
Slow, make sure we do this right.
Update on our kitchen. My husband redid the floors right after Christmas and they all matched the rest of the living room area, and we grabbed this buffet table from Costco. So the next step is going to be doing shiplap on this wall over here. I just wanted to give you a look at it before we actually started the process.
Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
As I'm sure you can tell with all the decor that was sitting out, this project did start right after Christmas and was a long time coming, and it was a family effort. So not only me and my husband are working on this, but we did ask my stepson for some help as well. So you might see him pop in during this video as well.
You're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything.
I have wanted this wall to be shiplap for so long, and I'm so happy that we finally got this off of our to-do list. It really brightens up this space and gives so much texture and warmth. At the same time, it is amazing what a little bit of shiplap can do for a space. Prep for this project, I did go ahead and take down all of the shelves and any other decor on the wall, and I took out all of the hardware, including any type of anchors, and we decided not to fill in any of those holes because we would just be putting shiplap on top of them, so it made for prep time very quick.
So just sit with me, talking through the night and through the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think
I was quite surprised on how inexpensive the shiplap ended up being. Everyone always talks about how much more expensive it is, but really it was pretty affordable to do this one wall. It was under $200, which for some people that may be quite expensive. But I feel like every project we ever do always ends up triple the amount that we originally anticipate, and this is the first time that didn't happen. Tell me down below if that happens to you guys as well. To measure the angles, we used this cool tool that we grabbed on Amazon that actually locks into place and gives you the angle. That way you don't have to worry about using any compasses or any other measurements. This thing does all the hard work for you. I will try to link it down below for you guys because I think this is such a great tool for projects like this.
When I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
the laying of the actual shiplap did not take very long. I think the boys had it done by 3 o'clock this afternoon, and we started about 11:30, so it wasn't a very long process, but it does take some teamwork, and I am so grateful that my stepson was able to help my husband, because without him, this would have never gotten done. We have a 16-month-old at home, and she is on the move everywhere, and someone always has to have eyes on her. So grateful for him and his help on this little project.
Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
And after the boys finished putting up the shiplap, my husband did go ahead and fill in any gaps with wood filler and gave it all a nice fresh coat of paint. And you guys, this looks absolutely beautiful in person, and the camera just does not do it justice. Once he finished with the paint, he did go ahead and also hang me some beautiful rustic floating shelves. And you guys, I am so excited to get these decorated, and that's what we're gonna do coming up next. But to hang these, he did go ahead and actually thread metal rods into the stud and just put the wood directly on those metal rods, so they are super secure and super sturdy and can hold a bunch of weight. Here's a look at all the items that I do want to go ahead and use on these shelves. I am so excited to bring more farmhouse warmth into my home, and I know these pieces will do just that. When I'm decorating, I always like to have anchor pieces, and books are a great way to anchor certain pieces of decor. So I am using my Magnolia Table Cookbooks and my Homebody book by Joanna Gaines to do just that on these shelves. I also wanted to display some of my rolling pins, so I grabbed this metal basket, put in a little hand towel, and I'm just putting in my wooden rolling pins so that they look nice and decorative. And I'm just going to adjust it to make it look exactly the way I want up on the top shelf.
I'm hoping that you stick around.
The farmhouse style is always about mixtures of woods and whites, and I just love mixing texture. So I'm using some wooden beads as well as some wooden bowls to do just that. Stacked cutting boards are seriously like my new favorite thing. And I grabbed this round one, I think at Home Goods a couple months back, and this tall one I grabbed at Hobby Lobby in the spring section. And I also have this wooden cake stand that I just love using for decor as well. One tip I have for you is go antique shopping, look at those thrift stores, and find pieces that really speak to you, because mixing old with news will really do a lot for a space. Before we reveal how the shelves turned out, I do want to go ahead and decorate the top of our buffet table here. So I'm just using a tray to again anchor my pieces. I'm going to make this space over here quite functional. I'm going to use my coffee canister and this little dish that will have sugar in it for our morning coffee station.
Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you.
And here is a look at the finished shelves, and I'm so thrilled with how this looks. It brought so much warmth and coziness to my space, and I just love how farmhouse feel this turned out to be. I have my coffee station set up, and I have a mixture of different woods, whites, and textures. And you guys, I just could not be happier. The Best Husband in the World award definitely goes to mine for bringing my vision to life. That is the end of today's video. If you did like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all on Friday in another one. Bye!